What's going on, everybody? It's Nice Pants Lance. We've got a beautiful 2015 Yamaha VStar 1300. This is my best friend's first bike. My buddy is tall. He's 6'5", probably 34 plus inch inseam. This bike fits him all right. We've already tilted the handlebars forward. But what he doesn't know is I've already ordered a 6-inch extension kit for the floorboards from Scoot Mods. In this kit, you got 4 bolts, a bunch of washers, 4 nuts. You got a shift rod for the left side. You've got the brake rod extension right here, and obviously a corresponding bracket for each side. Scoot Mods sent a very easy to read guide, just 1 page, very simple instructions, only 8 steps. I didn't have any trouble interpreting it or following these instructions. Here on the braking side of things, we've got these 2 mounting bolts for the whole floorboard bracket, and we've got the stock rod for the rear brake. Now when we remove these 2 bolts, we're gonna undo this threaded rod from this assembly. We're gonna install the new bracket, use the stock bolts for the original location, and then use 2 out of the 4 new bolts for the upper part of the extension. And then we'll thread on the extension rod over this stock one, and that'll complete our brake side. Here we are on the shifting side of things. We've got a similar situation. We got our 2 bolts for the left controls, and we've got a shift rod. Let's see if I can get it in view. We've got a shift rod that goes all the way back here to the shift lever. And if I'm correct, we're just gonna remove this whole shift rod and install it once we have the extension bracket installed. And that's it. Well, I guess I gotta cut this short. They sent me the wrong shift rod. I got the 6-inch extensions. They ended up giving me the 4-inch extension shift rod. So looks like we're putting the camera down for today. And we are back. It's a few days later. So I called Scoot Mods, which is where I purchased this 6-inch forward extension. And he got back to me in less than 24 hours. When I picked up the phone, I didn't even have to say anything. He had already realized his mistake, and he told me that the shift rod was in the mail. So I got the new shift rod less than a couple days later. He shipped it priority with no issue. This is the bone stock shift rod for the VStar 1300, and this was the one he sent me. As you can tell, that does not look like a 6-inch extension rod. I realized the mistake right away, and so did he, because this is what the proper shift rod should look like. That's a true 6-inch extension. So let's get back into it. I'm gonna have a little fun at his expense. Hey dude, what's going on?
Not much, just hanging out.
Nice. I kind of noticed something something off about your bike, man. You want to head over?
Yeah, I'll head over. I'll be down in like 10 minutes.
All right, bro. Well, I probably could have laid it on a little thicker, but I could sense a little uneasiness there. So we'll wait till he gets over and we'll see what he thinks. So something must have happened to your bike in the last couple of days. I didn't realize it at first, but looks like some asshole took off your back seat and put some 6-inch extensions on.
Oh, damn. They came in already? Shit. The positioning feels a lot better. Like, beforehand, I almost felt like I was like cramping up where I had to put my legs, but it's like having them out there, that's a whole lot better.
Yeah, it brings it forward 6 inches and allows you to tilt them back and forward. So I just kind of angled them back a little bit. I didn't want them angled too back because then you'll be like shifting like that. But yeah, it looks like you can fit your foot under there just fine.
It feels a whole lot better than the other ones.
Awesome, dude.
Yeah.
Awesome. I'm glad that it feels a little better than before. Now it'll make it rideable, so you don't have to worry about clacking your knees with your hands.
Yeah.
All right, well, shit, dude. Let's get you riding, man. If you like this video, please give me a like. If you want to see more on this VStar 1300, subscribe. Peace.